Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this button, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar. Here we can manage our aspect ratio. We are in 3 and 4. Let's move to the left to 1 and 1. As you can see, the background has changed now to the square one, so this is how it looks like. Another tap to the right corner, and let's move to 9 and 16 aspect ratio, so this is the longer one. And when we pick the right corner button once again, we can also move to the full aspect ratio, so we can see now the full camera frame. Of course, when we go to the right corner button once again, we can go back to 3 and 4 or pick whatever we need. Now let me stay here to remind you. This is how it looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.